Where to?
Say Waterworld, Rozak.
Where to? What side?
Going risky, going far north.
I'm gonna go in that second level at red.
Yep, one's on the roof.
Shit.
Nearest.
Yep. Bush by guy by us. He's on top of this roof. Shit. Sorry, I didn't get some. Clark, did we find the guy that was near us? He was in the building next to us.
Haven't seen him.
Okay. Lynch guy coming up you up the hill.
Okay.
Or he's like right in front of me. I'm gonna try to shoot him in the back. Lost him. Where'd he go?
He's up here, I see him.
Where is he?
It's like right in front of me.
Yeah, he's behind that car. Nice. Found a
Vehicle?
merch table.
Vehicle?
Oh fuck, we're trapped too. Shit.
Get out and shoot a motherfucker.
They come. They're coming at us.
Keep shooting them.
Guy's dead. Let him bleed out.
Give me your shit, boy.
You wanna push this?
Into town? Sure.
Into shooting range, or?
How many we knocked? 2 or 3?
One.
Just one. Vehicle behind me. Oh, my God.
No!
No way.
AR silencer.
We can push down to the car. It's down towards the southwest. And that fucking guy might be down here.
Yeah, there's a vehicle, 210 driving away. Is it Dasa? Dacia? Whatever the fuck it is.
Right next to me. Yeah, right at the northwest. Got on the other side of the car. Thanks.
Where his friends at? We knocked him. I think he's behind one of those trees at like 300.
Yep.
I knocked him down, but
So if we're gonna want to drive, we gotta do it.
Yep. We need to push them, or well, I think we should just go. Get in the car and go.
Ready?
go, go, go.
Yep. Fuck you.
Oh, this is gonna be close as fuck.
The vehicle straight ahead.
We're doing what we're doing. Shoot him if you can. Shoot that motherfucker, someone.
It's like impossible to aim with the scope while you're driving.
Fucking right click.
Oh my god, we're
Got
out.
him.
We gotta run.
I knocked one guy out. Got him.
Gotta get in.
We're taking fire from behind. Shit.
They're not in. Get in. Get in.
I know, but he's gonna kill me. Cover me, cover me, cover me, so I can get over this hill. Alright, healing.
Healing again.
Can't believe I got those guys driving. I can never hit guys in vehicles.
Gotta shoot, my love.
Yeah, I guess so.
There's gonna be a guy right next to us over here.
Mm-hmm.
Knocked out one.
Where?
He's right north. Shit, I'm out of fucking 5.56. I'm throwing a grenade behind the blue shed, Aaron.
Knocked one. Other guy's here, he lit me up.
Got
him.
one.
I got him.
Okay. I'll down then.
Loot these motherfuckers.
Yeah, movement, 165, this whole team 165. It's running right to left, you see him?
Yep.
Fuck. Should we open up?
No.
We don't have a good shot.
Do we want to try to push up to that high castle part?
Yeah, let's do that.
Left here. I'm going down.
Yeah, they're fighting someone now.
Groza.
Surprised if no one's up here.
There's someone up here.
Yep.
They're close somewhere.
It's on your left, Smith. Behind this wall.
He's just not. They're back there in the.
Back where?
Back on me. On the hill. In this corner. Fuck, I'm knocked. Right in there to your.
Fucking stuck on these rocks.
He's probably getting his buddy up. Now he died.
Got him.
No way.
You can get me. I'm in.
Guy close, Smith. Down.
Is there anyone else here, Clark?
No. 3 up.
Someone's gotta watch the other side coming up the hill.
Yep, where you just came from.
Yeah, where we like
Where
walked up.
Where I came from?
Yeah, where we
Yeah.
walked up. Where we walked up to get up here. I'm like stuck.
Boosting real
Got another guy. He's at 165.
far.
About 100 meters, if that.
I don't see him. What's he around?
He's behind that wall.
Yep, I see him.
Put your
Guy
other scope on,
210 from me.
Get out, bitch. I knocked him.
Guys over by me, we're like where we came up. Shit. I'm almost dead. Gonna need
Killed
some help
another
there.
one. He's outside play zone.
Where's he at?
Down the hill, southwest. I'm gonna pop a painkiller too.
Another one down. There's one more.
Left.
Probably my guy southwest, I think.
Yep, southwest.
Got him.
Woo!
Good job, guys.
Very nice game.
You avenged me.
We avenged you big time. Aaron, you killed someone while driving because you shot. I'm so proud of you.
Erroneous! Erroneous! Erroneous on both counts.